I recently had a traumatic experience at a Walmart bathroom. After eating a lot of deep-fried fish at an all-you-can-eat fish fry, I felt stuffed and decided to go for a walk with my friends. Since it was below zero outside, we chose to walk around the Walmart in the next town. Shortly after arriving, I got severe bubble guts and knew I wouldn't make it home in time. The Walmart bathroom was my only option, but it was a nightmare. The stalls were narrow and I'm a large man, so I had trouble wiping myself clean. To make matters worse, the toilet had a shallow basin, and when I sat down, my balls dipped into the murky brown water. I hastily flushed, wiped as best I could, and stuffed some toilet paper in my boxers as a precaution. I quickly checked out and rushed home to shower, feeling traumatized by the experience.